I just set the camera on top of a rebuild strength, so you can kind of see. Maybe I should move it back some more. Anyway, I just turned on the stove. Boop. I just turned on the stove, right? So however long this video takes is how long it takes to cook. So I'll put it on high. Water's evaporating. Boom. And this is how you shred, especially if you want a breakfast type. If you want a breakfast type meal, EVOO right here. So extra virgin olive oil. Anything you cook should be an extra virgin olive oil. It's a MUFA, which stands for monounsaturated fatty acid that burns belly fat. Boom. Go in there. Bop. That's all you need. A little bit like that. What I usually like to do, I learned this from Tiffany Arsenault. You take paper towel, just rub it around in there. Yeah. And that crackling is just some leftover hydrogen monoxide that was left in there. Now, any kind of Jenny-O product is usually good. They got good turkey products. Turkey bacon, egg whites. Popeye eats his spinach. Let me read to you what's on the back. Spinach is a superfood. Spinach is the ultimate superfood containing the highest concentration of nutrients, vitamins, and minerals to help promote overall health and wellness. Now, if you look on here at the nutrition facts, you always want to look at, can you see that? Cool, no problem. You always want to look at fat, saturated fat, and trans fat, right? Fat meaning total fat. So total fat is actually good. It's not bad. It's usually good because your body needs fat to think and to stay warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Saturated fat is bad. That's just concentrated fat. Trans fat is evil fat. It will kill you. Get it away. You should never have trans fat in anything. You see, 0% cholesterol. That's bomb because you really don't need it like that. Sodium's cool because it's going to be natural sodium. It isn't placed in there as like a sodium nitrate for shelf life. And then you have potassium, which is really good for recovery if you're doing a lot of working out, if you're doing a 90-day shred. Then you have the carbs, which you need for energy. The fiber is great for digestion. Sugars is cool that it's not in here because you get sugars from so many other things. And protein's always good. And then you see all the vitamins that you have in here, especially if you're a woman with iron deficiency, which is commonly found in a lot of women. They like that. What you want to do is eat things with iron in it. Even if you eat things and you get 150% of your daily value. I want you guys to understand it's nothing wrong with getting over 100% of your daily value of a vitamin or something that you have a deficiency in. Because if you're fueling your body with the right nutrition, your body's going to absorb it. So since this is just my first protein-based snack of the day, I already have my shake. Tomorrow I may do a video of doing my shake. But I just do 5 strips. And then after that, I come in and do egg whites, like the equivalent of 2 yolks. I figured out a pour, 2 eggs, no yolks, right? Kishonda. But anyway, you pour this in there, get about 4 or 5 glugs, like glug, 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 something like that. And then just a handful of spinach. So after this cooks, that's what I'm gonna do. Just meat off the hands. Rinse off the meat. Rinse off the meat. Alright guys, and contrary to popular belief, you don't really have to line up bacon like strip by strip. You can just throw it all in there. Like you can throw a bunch in there and it's cool, no problem. Kind of like people. We just all throwing in stuff. You can throw the bacon in there. Like a line. You go to the bank, it's a line. You go to the store, it's a line. You want to buy something at a bodega or a place of business, it's a line. You die, you go to heaven, it's a line. Like it's always a line, but it's like we're just kind of throwing in it like, oh, it's a line happening. So with bacon, it doesn't have to be strip by strip. You can just throw it all in there and mix it around like so. Okay, so right now what's going on in the pan is the bacon is all on one side. Sorry, if I had 3 arms, I would just show you. And then the egg whites. Notice I'm not like using any seasoning. But if you do, I like lemon pepper. Any pepper is usually good. Bell peppers, fresh ground pepper, lemon pepper. Pepper is usually good for you. It's not really anything out there like cayenne pepper, hot habanero pepper. All that stuff is good. So you got the egg whites on one side, right? See the egg white? Ain't nothing wrong with no egg white. They make egg white on them egg. What came first, the chicken or the egg? Don't nobody know, because they egg white. You should have no white in your nutrition plan. Only white you have, cauliflower, egg white. Should nothing, no white rice, no white bread, none of that white stuff. This is the only white we like. Not racist, we know racism. We like all colors. More colorful the better. You see, that ain't got no melanin in it. You know, melanin in it. So right now, we have like the egg white mini omelet on one side. The other side is the bacon. Trifecta. We're gonna put the superfood right here. And now you have a perfect, lean, colorful meal. I'm gonna come show you guys because it's pretty much done. As you can see, we're right at 6 minutes. It was like half of me talking though. But if you look in here, that's what you want a protein-based snack or a lean, colorful meal to look like. It's gonna be 1/3 protein. That's chicken, turkey, or fish. This is turkey bacon. 1/3 veggies, which is the greener the better, you know what I mean? Any kind of power greens or anything colorful. And then your other third is going to be your carbohydrates, your complex carbs, or slow carbs as some people call it, which is like anything whole grain or multigrain. I chose egg whites because it's a breakfast type for me, which is more protein, which is great. That's how you eat. And then of course I'm going to wash it down with, you want to have like your alkaline water that's lemon and lime infused. You know, you can't go wrong. Cucumbers, mints, anything you throw in there, berries. That's cool for water. I'm gonna have that. And then I'm also gonna mix, where's my tea? Where's my tea? Here we go. My raspberry herbal tea concentrate, which burns 80 to 100 calories per serving. So I'm gonna have that. I had the lemon pepper out, but I didn't use it. So I'm gonna have that, and then I'm gonna have my tablets. And my tablets are gonna be, for this time, my multivitamin, which is gonna give me my RDA. And it's also water soluble, my cell activator, which is going to absorb the micronutrients, and then the cellulose tablet, which is going to eliminate the water weight. So this is how we do it, and this is the light so you can see it even better. Eat like this. 90-day shirt, let's get it.